right here, please. Please gather right here, please. 1, 2. How are you today?
Yay!
Okay, please wear a mask throughout the destination. Okay, throughout the tour. So today we will begin our walking tour. First of all, we'll have a good look at the Thiên Hậu Pagoda, and then we'll move to Chợ Bình Tây Market, and then we will finish with some food. And if we are lucky today, we'll grab some dessert for Chợ Bằng Liêm Street. Okay, so my name is Jaman and I will be the leader of the tour today. Please always watch it and follow me, right? If you have anything, any problems, please feel free to announce me. Okay, let's start. Hello everyone, can I have your attention please?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay, we're enough, right? So here we are today. We're at the Chợ Lớn Market, but to be more specifically, we are at the Chợ Bình Tây. However, the name was Chợ Lớn, the big market, but there's no big market. The big market is the multiple market we have here. As you can see, when we're traveling from the downside road, we have Chợ Kim Biên, all the smaller markets, and now we have here one of the biggest market in the town. And in this market, in general, in the District 5, everything is for sale. Everything in this market is for the wholesale price. So every businessman, businesswoman, we have trading here or flooding here to buy food, to buy goods, and to purchase every single thing. So let's take a look at the inside. Okay, do I have? So as you can see, the Chợ Lớn main market had a great clock tower, but unfortunately we cannot see here up from here with the central courtyard with the gardens. As you can see, and the market was originally built in the 1990s by the French. Very little English spoken here, but as you can see, all the signs and all the menus are in Chinese and Vietnamese. Although the people here they speak very little English, but feel free to be welcomed by English everywhere if you purchase anything from the smaller vendors. And the Chợ Bình Tây, what is special about Chợ Bình Tây? Because it sits at the heart of the District 5, and between all the markets, you can see the narrow lanes for the travel, but it's very small compared to the size with Chợ Lớn. As you can see, we have a square of the floor layout chart of the first floor. On the upper floor, it much more larger. However, I don't think it's good for us to travel in this situation. It's quite in the midday, so let's follow me into the inside. Okay, please follow me. Shoes, for the clothes, any of the essentials. Let's take a look at the big market. Very crowded and chaotic as well. But this is why it's so beautiful. Your attention please gather right here please. So when the shopping is done, it's time to eat. There is an old saying that goes, in District 5, live in District 3 and see everything in District 1. So let's take a look at the dim sum. In the Chinatown, we have a ton variety of the dim sum, the wonton noodles, and let's dive in. Let's go.
May I have your attention, please?
Yes.
Okay, the gastronomy of the Hoa has been the reason for the tourists to flock into this area with a long history, unique features numerous styles and equates cooking. Chinese cuisine is one important constituent part of Chinatown. Chinese traditional dishes are famous for the color, the aroma, taste, meaning, and the appearances. Positioned at the back of the market is a beautiful food court which include a long line of vendors. Many have a few small tables and stools where you can have a seat and slurp down some delicious food on spot. From Vietnamese phở, bánh xèo to dim sum and Chinese sticky rice cake. You cannot finish a Chinatown food tour without dumpling or wonton, which consists of minced meat and chopped vegetable wrapped in a thin dough skin. With a long history of more than 1,800 years, dumplings are traditional food widely popular in Chinese cuisine. Popular fillings are minced pork, shrimp with vegetable, and they can be cooked by boiling, steaming, or frying. Especially for wonton, it has been the customary food for people to eat in the winter, so salted since the Tang Dynasty. The most versatile shape of a wonton is simply a right triangle, similar to Italian tortellini. Wontons are commonly boiled and served in soup or sometimes deep fried. The filling of wonton can be minced pork or the diced shrimp.
After finish the best Saigon dumpling in the town, let's grab some dessert. If you have a sweet tooth, please visit the Chobang Lim Street. They have a wide range of desserts and the candy sweets for you to enjoy the day and finish the meal. Let's go.
Okay. If you visit Chinatown, you would not miss the red bean or the black sesame soup in Chinatown. These traditional desserts are so nutritious and people love to eat it as a snack. You should eat it hot for the finest taste. Some rice balls could be added to make it a whole meal. The good thing is that they are readily accessible across every street in Chinatown. What's more, the moment you try these sweet treats, you get hooked to the goodies.
Câu này trắng.
Ta miếng mè đen.
Tao cũng chưa thử mày đen. Trời, ai ăn củ đậu đỏ đi quay.
Đậu đỏ is not my time. Hello everybody, my name is Nguyễn Đăng Khoa and I will be your tour guide for the walking tour today. Okay, attention everybody, may I have your attention please? Let's gather around here. Okay. So good morning everyone. Here we are at the Hậu Pagoda, one of the oldest Chinese built pagoda in Ho Chi Minh City. Situated on the 7 and 10 Right Street, it is believed that this pagoda is built to dedicate it to the Chinese goddess Mazu, the sea goddess, or Thiên Hậu in Vietnamese. It is believed that she protects the sea traveler and sailors by flying around on the mountain cloud and rescue them at sea. In around 1760s, a lot of sea travelers, they had to depend on the good weather, so they had to stay inland and wait for the weather situation to turn favorable to them. During this day, a lot of people, they donated a lot of money to build this assembly hall, or now it's the pagoda, so that they could be comfortable during this day. And after a long time, it transformed into a pagoda. So Batikao Pagoda is very famous for its unique and ancient Chinese architectural styles, beautiful and meticulous sculpture, as well as the idol goddess Chinatown. The incense never stops burning in this place, but many people they come here to pray for their well-being, their health, and even for their love. Some family, some parents, they even come here to pray for the goddess to bestow upon them a baby. So now, without further ado, let's go inside and discover the beautiful architecture of Batikao Pagoda.
May I have your attention, everyone, please? Thank you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nguyễn Ngọc Thúy An, and I will be your tour guide today to introduce you the architecture of the Thiên Hậu Temple. So, as you can see, the Thiên Hậu Temple is located on busy Nguyễn Trãi Street. It can be accessed by getting through an iron gate and crossing a small courtyard. Coming to this temple, you will be amazed by its architecture, which is decorated with so many sculptures, statues, and artworks. All of them had a color such as red, yellow, and brown, making it a very warm and cozy atmosphere. So everyone, the Thiên Hậu Temple was built originally from the Chinese temple. So it will have three halls: the front hall, the central hall, and the back hall. So let me show you the front hall. Here we have two altars on the left and on the right side. On the left side we have the deity of Thần Tài. He is a god who controls the land of people. And here we have Wong Mung Vu. It's his like a guardian who keeps the door. And also here we have the stone lilies representing the line of Mazu. Around the hall, we have the sponsor dioramas representing the daily life of a Chinese city in the past. One more thing to be noticing, the two sides of the path here are separated, so it would be easier for the visitor to move, especially on the very crowded day like the full moon days. That's all for the front hall. Let's come to the central hall. Okay, everyone. Between each hall, there will be an opening space, a skylight like this. It allows the sunbeam to go down and the incense to fly up. Okay, we have come to the central hall. As you, over there is a huge bronze censer made in 1886, and it was transported directly from China. On the left of the censer, you will see is a balcony, and on the right side of the censer, you will have a dragon boat that was plated gold, a symbol of peace and safety to fishermen. You can see that all of the exhibitions are protected carefully in glass frames. Okay, we come to the back hall. Okay, everyone, this is the place to worship and to put the statue of Mazu. You can see she is in the middle, and on the left side we have the statue of aquatic goddess Long Mẫu lady, and also on the right side we have a Kim Hoa lady as well. And also this is a place to pray and to offer incense. So if you want to prepare some incense for you, you can burn it there. Yeah. Oh, each one. Thank you. Here. Please burn here. Careful.
Everyone, may I have your attention? Okay, thank you. My name is Phương, and I will be your tour guide for today at this wonderful temple. And before we start our tour, I would just want to send thanks for choosing our tour. So, as you have noticed, we are in a Chinese temple which is called Bà Thánh Hậu Temple, and it was built in the 18th century. It's quite a long. It's considered to be one of the longest temple in Saigon or Ho Chi Minh City nowadays. Okay, please follow me. Over here you can see that they are burning incense. They are saying that in Ba Han Hao temple the incense never burn out because every day even the local and even the tourists came here and then they burn it. And the reason behind the incense burning is that they believe that with each incense you burn, can pray for your health, your family health, your fortune, and even your children if you are married. Okay. And today, unfortunately, is the second day of the lunar month, so there is not a big thing here. But yesterday, which was the first day of the lunar year, many Chinese people and even Vietnamese people will come here and then they show their gratitude. They pray, they send their prayer to the Han Hao lady. And especially on the 20th of March in the lunar year, it's the day of the Sea of the Goddess, and everyone they have a big festival at the front. They will put her statue in a palanquin and then carry it around the neighborhood. This is one of the big festival in Saigon. And coming over here, and do you know how to burn the incense and pray in the correct way in Chinese culture? Do anyone knows about it?
Not really.
Not really.
Okay, so it's quite simple. First, you will burn the incense with the candle that they have prepared over there, over here. And then look at this gentleman. You will see he was doing the action like this. And while doing this, you will say in your prayer in your head, in your mind, so that only the goddess will hear it and not everybody else. Afterwards, you will put it here in this incense ashtray. And the smoke, when they're coming higher and higher, it is believed that it is being sent to the goddess. And I have prepared some incense for you guys. Okay. Here you are. Okay. So you can pray for what you are looking for. Maybe your health, your wealth, and even if you are single, you may wish for a boyfriend or girlfriend. And another interesting thing in the Chinese culture is that they are not only burning the incense, they also burning the paper. The paper is represent for the wealth, the money, or the health, the wishes, and this will be burned here. You can see it's burned in this iron chicken. Okay, here you are, and then put it in over here. Be careful, it's fire, okay? I think it's good. Okay, right away. Alright, that's it. Just put it there.
Okay, I'm putting it in.
So now your wishes are being sent to the goddess.
Okay. Go.
So that is the end of our tour today. We have visited the Chinatown. We have explored every detail of the Ba Thiên Hao Gouda, and that is the end of our tour today. Coming up next month, we'll have a tour on District 1 to visit the Nightlife Center. If you have any interest, please feel free to visit our website at www.usha.com. If you have any suggestions or feedbacks, feel free to send us. That would be our helpful encouragement to be better growth ever after today. Please rate us on the TripAdvisor, and that's it. Thank you for your attention in choosing our company tour today.